The domain indicates that the graph will show all the values of x between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. We know the period is the length required to complete one cycle. The period in this case is 90 degrees, so we should use increments of 45 degrees on the x-axis. The range includes all values between -1 and 5. Since the range includes all y values between and including -1 and +5, the maximum value is +5 and the minimum value is -1. Substitute the maximum and minimum values into the midline formula and solve. The equation of the midline is y equals 2. You can now graph the midline with a dotted line. We know that the y-intercept is 2, which is on the midline. One complete cycle of the function happens in 90 degrees, so we know that 90 degrees, 2, is a point on the graph. We also know that 5 is the maximum and -1 is the minimum. Draw a box to show all this information. We know that the spacing between the maximum, 5, and the intersection with the midline is always 1/4 of a period. The same holds true for the minimum, -1. We now can connect the 5 points. Since the domain requires all values of x to 360 degrees, we follow the same pattern for 3 or more cycles.